Good morning, friends. This is Mama. I'm going to be making a pineapple upside down cake this morning. Follow along with me if you wish. In my iron skillet, I have 1/3 cup of butter. You can use margarine if you want to, but I did use salted butter. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to let this get all hot and bubbly and well acquainted, and then we'll move on to something else. First of all, you want to preheat your oven to 350. This is what we're looking for right here. Now we're going to turn the burner off. I've got one 20-ounce can of pineapple rings, and I have drained the juice off. We'll be using it later. I'm going to lay the pineapple rings I don't have no cherries today, so I'm going to use pecans in the middle of the pineapple. You don't have to use anything if you don't want to. I think the cherries makes it look pretty. Now we're going to let that set and mix up the cake. Now we're going to mix up the cake. I've got 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice that I drained off the pineapple, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, some salt, and 2 eggs. Now I'm going to use my mixer and give this a mix-a-rooney. Now that I have the pineapple rings and the syrup prepared, I'm going to pour the cake batter over that. haven't made one of these for a long time. And one of the kids mentioned the other day about a pineapple upside down cake. And I thought, well, that sounds good. I used to make them all the time. This is going to go in the oven, 350, for about 30 minutes. Now that it's out of the oven, I'm going to let it set a few minutes, and then I'm going to try to turn it upside down. And now here we go. Beautiful. Courtney's supposed to be over here in a little bit, and me and her are going to have a piece of this and a cup of coffee. Y'all have a nice day. Quote of the day: we were born to be real, not perfect.